the courts of law, and the prison cells. Two very important rites of passage for any outspoken African politician vying for public office. Something that 3 out of 7 of our presidents in Zambia would attest to. Kenneth Kaunda in the 50s, 50 years later it was Michael Sata, and 10 years after him, it was HH. Granted, 3 out of 7 again of our presidents did face some arrests after they left office. Kaunda.
Without detention, I asked my lawyers, there are 7 of them. They asked, why is this man being detained? Because this man told a lie at Kaunda House.
Chiluba and RB. These were high-profile cases, which many of us have never heard of, and many of us may never hear about them. But this is where Dickson Jere comes in, the former press aide to former President Rupiah Banda. During the Legal Media Handbook launch, where journalists would be helped in covering court cases, he put in a request to the judiciary, allow live coverage of court cases. Media coverage, of course, means more public interest. Like what happened to those who were gassing us? What happened to the Egyptians and the gold that turned into copper? The only live coverage we currently get is with Parliament TV, and anyone can testify to say that it has provided comedy.
There is a very serious crisis of water, Madam Speaker. As we are talking right now, people are queuing just to access water in the Chikala.
Honorable member, can you translate that Chikala, please?
Drama.
No, about the crimes which the PF committed during their reign of gassing the own people who voted for them, the citizens. Thank you so much.
Honorable members.
And even more drama.
All eminent people who have benefited from forest number 27 to own up and give it back. Because let me tell you now, everything that you're doing is an exercise in futility. On the first day of being sworn in, we are coming to demolish those houses down there in 2021. That's what's going on.
It goes without saying, Parliament TV has better sound quality than award shows.
One more time, let's go, sir. All I need is
Live coverage of court cases would mean a lot. Imagine if it existed just the past 6 years. We would know how things unfolded in the honeybee scandal, or with former infrastructure minister Mr. Chitotela, whose case was swept under the rug, but now the rug has been thrown out and he has to go back for trial. But it's not all politics. There have been other cases that have been stuck to our lips like dust in the month of August. I'm talking about Zambia's version of the Amber Heard case in the Ronnie Bobby case. That case was definitely going to be a must-watch, just like the evidence was also a must-watch.